What's up, YouTube, man? Welcome back to the channel, guys, man. Today in this video, I am purchasing a 2015 Dodge Charger SXT, and I will be converting it over to a Scat Pack. Now, people are gonna say, why don't you buy a Scat Pack, this and that. This video right here is for people who want to get a Scat Pack under 30 grand, okay? Under 30 grand. Continue watching this video. Alright, you guys, so right now this is the Charger. It's a regular SXT. I will be converting it over, like I said, you guys, to the Scat Pack. Now, I found a motor online for 6 grand, and that's with the motor and transmission. Now, the motor has 43,000 miles on it. The only thing else I have to get is a SRT cluster and then the SRT screen. Now, Brembos and stuff like that. So the motor is going to be 6,000 with the transmission. Cluster, I'm getting a brand new cluster, which is 700. Then I'm also getting a screen, which is 1,000. So all together right there, you guys. So this right here, I purchased this vehicle right here for $10,000. So you think about it, 6 grand for the motor and tranny, $700 for the cluster, and then another $800 for the screen. And then also I'm gonna obviously upgrade the drivetrain and upgrade it to Brembo brakes. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing everything slowly. You can make a V6 into a Scat Pack. Okay, you gotta find the right price, you gotta find the right motor. Okay, you gotta find the right person to do it. All right, you guys, because Scat Pack's going for like 45, 50 grand. And I'm showing you guys how you can get you a Scat Pack for like 30 grand. Okay, these vehicles are pretty much all the same. The only thing different is the drivetrain, the motor, the transmission, brakes, the cluster, and the screen. So that's pretty much about it. So if you guys stay tuned for that, once I go ahead and finish this paperwork, then I'm gonna come back to the camera. Oh yeah, this is what I mean by the cluster. You see how this says 140? Now, if you buy a Scat Pack, it says 180 on the dash. So this is why I'm going to go ahead and replace this. And I'm going to go ahead and replace this. I don't know what this person had going on in this car, but all this is about to come out. Steering wheel, all of that is about to be changed. So far, the interior is not as bad. It's actually in good shape. Just needs to be detailed and cleaned. But that's pretty much about it. I'm gonna show you guys the motor, let you know what a V6 motor look like, but I will be converting this into a Scat Pack. If you guys want to see that build, man, make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, man. Stay tuned. All right, you guys, so went ahead and finished all the paperwork. Whoever had this car, man, I'm sorry, but this shit is terrible. First of all, the paint's chipping off of here. It looked like this person was just like how can you disrespect them damn engine bay like that? But look at this, man. Look at this. But anyways, you guys, so pretty much I will be taking out this 3.6 liter and putting in a 392 Scat Pack motor. So now, obviously, to do the conversion, I need the motor, the tranny, Brembo brakes kit, the cluster, and the screen. Because as you guys can see, right here, regular brakes. Let me see. Regular brakes. Gonna have to install a spoiler. As you guys can see, just got the vehicle. But pretty much, yeah, man, I'm gonna turn this thing into a Scat Pack, man. I'm kind of sick right now, so I'm letting a lot of people understand that you may want a Scat Pack, but can't outright just afford paying 50 to 60 grand for a Scat Pack. So your better alternative, get you a V6. But look, do your homework first. Do your homework first. Don't just go jumping the gun and hopping in a V6. make sure you can get a motor. Make sure, and motor and tranny. Dodge still sells the clusters. You can buy one used or new. Me personally, I prefer new. I'm just gonna get it programmed. You know, think about it like this. Everything for me to turn this into a Scat Pack was gonna run me about $7,500. This vehicle was 10 grand with 130K miles on it, okay? 130K miles. Now people say, well, you gotta pay somebody to install it. First of all, I'm gonna take the motor out myself, okay? So I'm pretty much gonna get a garage where I can work in, and I'm gonna pretty much take the motor out myself. I've done it before. I know how to take an engine out. And oh yeah, make sure you do get the computer. But the motor and tranny I got came with the computer, came with everything. Now I will get a brand new engine harness, which is an additional like $500-$600. But people are gonna say, well, why don't you just use the other one? Look, that's just me particular. I'd rather just get a new harness. You know what I'm saying? That's just me. You don't have to, but that's just me. I'm gonna get a new harness. What else? So Brembo's, transmission, engine. Man, that's pretty much about it, man. I'm probably gonna upgrade the suspension, but I mean, this should be fine. Because this car really wasn't. I mean, yeah, I got 100K, but this is a 2015. But the suspension should be fine. What I might do, me personally, I'm gonna upgrade my bearings. I'm gonna upgrade my sway bar. And then once I get the motor and everything done, then I'm gonna focus on the other stuff like the SRT, Scat Pack hood, the spoiler, you know, the front end, all that. Well, I'm just telling you guys, just to make it like a Scat Pack, but you may probably spend like an additional $4 to $5 grand for the body kit, okay? So keep that in mind. But either way, like I said, do your homework, because this right here, this car was 10 grand, okay? 10 grand. Now, the motor, everything, that's spending 17.5 for everything, okay? I gotta wait on the transmission, I gotta wait on the motor and all that to come in, and the cluster, all that stuff, okay? Remember, I spent 17.5 to turn this into a Scat Pack. So you imagine how much a Scat Pack costs. You get what I'm saying? Like I said, do your homework, do your research, try to get a good price, make sure you're not overspending. You know what I'm saying? This is for people who like on a tight budget and want a Scat Pack. So I'm gonna do this video for you guys. That's the reason why I bought this vehicle, because I haven't really seen too many videos on full depth and detail on what you need to do. Okay, so I'm gonna do that for you guys, man. I'm gonna do that for you guys. You know, stock exhaust, nothing too special. Everything is stock. But like I said, once I convert it, man, you guys are gonna love it. And people that's gonna say, oh, it's not a true Scat Pack, it's not a true. First of all, y'all like iPhone lovers, okay? I love Dodge, but be realistic with yourself right now, okay? Because if you telling me these vehicles are all the same, the only difference is the engine, the Brembo brakes, the screen, the cluster. That's it. It's like a freaking iPhone. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's the same goddamn car. So if you're telling me that it's not a true Scat Pack, then you're an idiot. This is why Dodge, to be honest with you, this is why Dodge came out. Think about it. It came out the SC, the XXC, the GT, the RT, the Scat Pack. Then they got the the Hellcat, then the Hellcat Red Eye, then the freaking Demon. You know what I'm saying? The Jailbreak. Like, I love Dodge, but Dodge making all the same shit. Okay, they're making all the same shit. And people gonna say, buy it. Oh yeah, I got the Scat Pack. But look, man, save your money. Be smart, okay? Take your time, build your shit, because guess what? There's dudes out here paying $1,000 for a damn Scat Pack. Pay 10 grand for this car. 10 grand. And I spent $7,500 on the transmission and engine and computer. Okay? So like I said, man, do your homework, man. Because now look, that person who got that Scat Pack, guess what? He probably still paying on that. This is paid off. Really flexing. But anyways, you know, that's why I want you guys to really understand. But that's gonna be it for this video, man. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, man. Stay tuned for this build, because this build is gonna be crazy. I'm gonna go full in depth with this whole thing, all right? I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.